Now let us see the fourth problem of the exercise 2.2. So let us read the problem. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. So now the problem is all about odd numbers that are consecutive and how many? Two numbers. Okay, first let us discuss the odd numbers. Give me some examples of the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So if you take 1 and 3, okay, so they are called consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive? If there are no more numbers of that type in between any given two numbers, then they are called consecutive. Now between 1 and 3, two odd numbers, there are no more odd numbers. So that's why 1 and 3 are consecutive. Okay, right. So now just if you know any one of the odd number, how to get the next odd number? So how to get the next odd number? So by adding 2, very good, by adding 2. If you know any one of the odd number, we will get the next odd number by adding 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now with this help, we start the problem. Okay. Now let us start. What is given? What is given? I am writing sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equals to 56. Okay, so I am taking the first odd number as x. Let the odd numbers be, first one I am taking as x. Just now we discussed, if you know the first odd number, what is the next consecutive odd number? How much to be added? 2. Very good. Now I am adding 2, therefore I will get the next odd number which are consecutive. Okay. Now what the problem is about the sum. So sum is equals to what? The first one x plus second one x plus 2. So that is nothing but x plus x plus 2. According to the problem, the sum is nothing but 56, and according to us, the sum is this. Now what shall we do this? According to the problem, what we can do this? So equate, because both are representing the same. So 2x plus 2 is equals to 56, which is a simple equation. Now let us concentrate on solving. Let's move to the other hand side. Let's left with 2x, 56 minus 2. 2 into x is nothing but 2. 2x is nothing but 2 into x is equals to 56 minus 2, 54. 2 is multiplying, moves to the other hand, so that multiplication becomes division. In 2 table, that 54 is 27 times. Okay, now we got the value of x, that is how much? 27. So what we have to find finally? X and x plus 2. So let us find x plus 2, that is nothing but 27 plus 2, that is 29. So finally, the conclusion, the two odd numbers are 27 and 29. Now let us see the 12th problem. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio of 5:7. What does this 5:7? The ratio of the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. Okay, so let me read first that. Okay, let us read out the next. 4 years later. What do you mean by 4 years later? After 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So what is given? 4 years later, the sum of their ages is 56 years. So what are their present ages? Finally, we have to find their ages. Okay, after 4 years or present? Present. Okay, fine. Now let me start with the given things. That is, so ratio of present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi is equals to 5:7. Okay, so in previous classes we have learned the properties of a ratio. Whenever the ratio is given, that will be in the simplest form. Okay, so now 5:7. They may have any common factor before simplification. So let us take that common factor as x. So that is x. Again, after simplification, what will happen? Common factor will be cancelled and we left with again 5:7. So I am taking the common factor of this ratio is x. Now what does it stand for? Present. All this is about present. Present is the first one. Order is important. Rahul. Present age of Rahul is equals to 5x years. Next. So age of Lakshmi. Age of Lakshmi is equals to 7x years. Fine. Again, the ages are considered after 4 years. Okay, fine. After 4 years. What will be the age of Rahul? What will be the age of Rahul? It will be increased by 4. The actual one is 5x increased by 4. So in the same way, what will be the age of Lakshmi? Okay, again her age is also increased by 4. That is 7x plus 4. Now, so what I am going to find? Sum of their ages. Okay, sum of ages. Sum of ages is equals to 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. Like that, 5x plus 7x is nothing but 12x plus 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8 years. But according to the problem, it is given as how much? 56. Okay. According to the problem, sum of ages is given as 56 years. Now, this is sum of ages after 4 years. This is also sum of ages after 4 years. Now, shall we equate? Yes. So that is 12x plus 8. 12x plus 8 is equals to 56. Right. So we found a simple equation. Now solve. Plus 8, moving to other hand, minus 8, left with 12x. 56 minus 8. 12 into x is equal to 56 minus 8 is 48. 12 is multiplying and moves to the other hand side. It divides. 12 table 48 goes by 4. So we got x value. Now we have to find present ages. Okay. So present age of who is this person? Rahul is equals to 5x. It is nothing but 5 into what is x? 4. That goes up 20 years. Next, age of Lakshmi is equals to 7x. 7x. That is 7 into x. That is 28 years. They asked to find what are their present ages. Therefore, the present ages are Rahul is 20 years and Lakshmi is 28